Yeah, I knew I had to slow down for y'all on this one. I wouldn't even call this a hip-hop and rap song, to be honest. This is more poetry, because this is straight from the heart. Just really listen to what I say, alright? Okay. Rainy days, just remind us that the sunny ones. We blaze all day to take away what we're running from. Can I stay just to make it to another day? Can I stay? Yeah. Can I stay? Yeah. Rainy days, just remind us that the sunny ones. We blaze all day to take away what we're running from. Can I stay just to make it to another day? Can I stay? Yeah. Can I stay? No. Yeah, I made this cause I'm hurt and I'm lost, concerned that I'm all fucked up in my mind. I wanna be the best, but first at what cost? I don't wanna be a legend cause they murder us off. I'm not scared, it's just I'm baffled that they can take away John Jared. You're not all there when you think it's not apparent. They want the fake and take away the non-generic. God, stop impairing our communities, please. Rainy days, yeah. Rainy days, yeah. Rainy days, yeah. Rainy days, just remind us that the sunny ones. Blaze all day to take away what we're running from. Can I stay just to make it to another day? Can I stay? Yeah. Can I stay? No. Seeing I'm dreaming of living lavishly, of double teaming and scheming just to have a queen. Feeling pretty happily when I see an opportunity. My mind says, no, this isn't happening. I don't mean to treat you crappily. I've just never seen a happily ever after piece. So I asked if I could have a piece. Girls used to laugh at me, now they wanna laugh at me. That is just a cap to me. I know that this is happening. I don't know what I have for me. Depression, thoughts of battling. Cleveland, you fucked with the past of me. Savannah, I thought I had a dream, but your love was just a fantasy. Rainy days, just remind us that the sunny ones. We blaze all day to take away what we're running from. Can I stay just to make it to another day? Can I stay? Yeah. Can I stay? No.